You're gonna get a picture of you going.
I'm filming it. Woo!
Normally I just get up and leave them and they'll come out of the room. But it's time to eat. I don't want to eat. Okay, make sure he's in the house. I don't want to take him in the house.
He's not in the house.
Oh!
He's so.
Okay, come on. Come on.
Oh man.
Just leave him alone. You haven't seen this episode before. Huh? This is a normal occurrence.
Bryn! Look at Bryn!
He's like, yeah.
I don't know why this is so funny. I don't know why I think this is funny.
Come on.
It's just funny.
There we go.
Go, go, go.
Oh, don't let him out. Let him out of this end.
She's so scared.
Come on.
Go, 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 go. Ryan, you do it. Whoa! Goodness!
Here, out the
Can you pick me up?
It's okay.
You're pretty good at it. Okay.
Whoa!
Maybe out you go.
He's gonna be so tired.
Let me get a towel.
Why don't you use two brooms?
To get him down low, I can get a towel and get him down.
One of you on that side, one of you on the other side. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Ready, set, go. Bryn!
You don't want the dogs to
I'm
get
sorry I closed the door.
No, the
I
door
just-
has to be shut.
I know. No, I mean the front door. I just thought it was funny at first.
Okay.
This is just crazy.
Okay.
Maybe if we leave him alone.
Get him out. Get him out towards the side. Okay, there we go. You're good.
Okay.
Get him down low enough I can catch him.
Get him.
Okay.
Let me see that, Mom.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, this is getting old now.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It's very